Guys, Andrew here, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take screenshots with Ashampoo Snap 15. Now I'm currently using Ashampoo Snap 15, guys, and in order to take a screenshot you want to go ahead and, let's say, have the application open. Now if you have the application open, you can use the toolbar to choose what you want to do. So here you can see that this is for recording, then this is to open the editor, then you have the settings, then you have the freehand selection tool, and of course if you click on more you have more options as well that you can choose from. Alternatively, you can click the tray on the lower right hand side of your taskbar and just right click and you will have a bunch of options as well. So you have capture all screens. If you have multiple screens and you click on capture all screens, it's going to capture all screens, and as you can see it's going to show both my screens here in a moment. And here you can see that it captured both my screens here, right? So this is one screen and this is a second screen. Now if you have one screen, it's going to only capture your one screen, but if you have two or more screens, you'll also be able to capture those screens as well. Now I'm going to show you another thing. If you also want to capture, for example, something freehand, you can always do that as well. Let me show you something. If I go back here, you also have the option to scan screens. So if you click on scan screens, it will also do a scan screen for you, and you can easily go ahead and, let's say, choose what you want to capture. It's going to allow me to capture, so I'm going to basically make a capture of this car here on my screen. So let's say this is what I want to capture, and once you go ahead and highlight what you want to capture, really, you will let go and you will see towards the lower right hand side of your screen that there is a capture or camera icon. Now if you click on this, it's going to take a screen capture of whatever you try to capture, right? And you will see here that it actually captured the car here for me, and that's it. Now once you go ahead and capture this, you have the option here to basically do more, right? You can add even current canvas to it. You also have the option to delete as well, and you can save directly. So you can select the one you want and then basically click on save project, or you can even go ahead and export the image, and you can go ahead and copy to clipboard or even delete the projects. There's so much you can do, and it takes you right into this wonderful editor here that you can do so much. You can, do a lot with it. You can pencil to mark stuff, you can do color correction, you can do so much. You can even blur out parts of it. So if you click on the blurring tool, you can just choose where you want to blur, and you can just basically blur something. As you can see, I do a little blur here and there. So this is how you can easily make this work, guys. So I think it's an amazing editor, guys. You can use it to screen record for video, for capturing your screen. You can take screenshots, and I think it's a really fascinating tool, right, that you can use. I also want to show you something as well. If you want to, let me go ahead and, let's say, quit this for the time being. If you want to use the freehand, you can also use it as well. So if you open up the toolbar here, you have, for example, this freehand selection. So you can select the freehand selection and just start to go around whatever you want. So let's say I want to go around the car here. I can just do something like this, and as you can see, it is currently making its way around the car. So the more I go around it, you'll see that it's currently doing its thing. So it's actually really cool. So I'm gonna just continue this to go around it like this, and you can see that I actually do a freehand capture right here. So once you're done, again, all you have to do is just do a screen capture by selecting the camera on the lower right hand side, and you will see that it actually captures the car as well. And have a look at that. So if you're trying to cut out something as well, you can use this to do that as well. So it's really cool. And as I said, you have a ton of different features here on the side that you can basically use to do as much as you can with those screen captures, right? So wonderful stuff, guys. If you found value here, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below if you have any question. And of course, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.